Hot girl Halloween costumes? Yes, please. All right, welcome YouTube. I am going to be doing an unboxing of Hot girl Halloween costumes today from Starline LA, Party King Costumes. So let's get right into it. Yeah, let's get right into it. Bam! I am super excited because I know some of these costumes, but I don't know everything that's in here, so it's gonna be a bit of a surprise for me too. But all I gotta say, sorry for the crazy knife skills. All I gotta say is I'm excited, and this brand is so incredible with their like I said, I'll say it once and I'll say it again, Hot Girl Halloween costumes. So let's do this. I'm very excited to see. Ooh, no way. How cute is this? No freaking way. Oh my god, it has my name on it. That made me smile right off the bat. I'm so excited. Should I read this later? Should I read this now? I'm going to set this right down, and that's going to be for some me time, for some alone time. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I already know some of these things are going to be insane. So let's get right into it. Oh my god! Ooh! Oh, okay. Off the bat, wow. Bad Potion Witch. Hold up. Hold up. Wow. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's like my favorite. It's literally my favorite colors: green, purple, and black. And it's like a potion elixir witch. And I'm obsessed. It looks so cute. Do we want to see me try these on? Yes or no? And if so, which one should I try on first? I don't know how well you can see this, but just know this is so cute. And if you can't see it well, I'm going to hold up a picture right here. But, wow. Obsessed. I already want to rate this one like a 10 out of 10, infinity out of 10. Oh my goodness. I just know this is going to go insane. Like, I kind of want to take it out of the packaging, but we'll see. Maybe you get that today, maybe you don't. So, yes, let's see what we've got next. I'm just going to grab stuff from behind me. Woo! Wow. Party King Costumes, you got my heart. This is insane. Wow, this is so cute. I already know exactly where I'm going to wear this. Mage of your dreams. I'm also going to rate this an infinity out of 10. Both of these are like dream costumes for me. And I'm already thinking about what I'm going to do with them. So, ooh, this is so cute. It's got the celestial, like blue, purple, moons and stars. Yeah, I'm going to be a rave wizard. Yup. I already know. I can't get this note with my name on it. Okay. Woo. We're off to a great start. Let's see. I'm just reaching in. Woo. Wow. Peacock Princess. That is cute. It comes with the whole headpiece, like the headpiece that's featured here. It's in here. It's literally in here. You have the whole bit. The sequin, like hand beaded pieces. This is insane. 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm just thinking of where and how I'm going to shoot this. And yeah, it's going to go crazy. The blue, green, purple hues. Literally Peacock Princess. Love it. 10 out of 10. So excited to try this on. Okay, let's see. What do we have in here? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This note on here, we decided to throw this in for you. Rave mommy, rave equals rave angel. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. So gorgeous. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to wear this to a rave. It's going to be like a perfect New Year's Eve rave outfit, like a rave angel. I love the fluffy, like it's very winter, like ice queen, ice princess. This is adorable. This is so cute. I'm so excited. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Starline LA. Thank you so much. Party King Costume. I am treasuring these. I'm already planning where, how, and why to dress these up and make you proud. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's... Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Infinity out of 10. I wanted a Beetlejuice outfit forever, like a Beetle witch. This goes freaking crazy. This goes so freaking crazy. I cannot wait to shoot this. I already know where I'm going to shoot it. I already know what wig I'm going to wear. Oh, I'm going to eat this for you. I'm going to eat this so hard for you. Oh my gosh. Infinity out of 10 off the bat. I already know. Should I try these outfits on? Let me know. Which one should I try first? Because I would love to do so for you. I am certainly going to use each and every one of these and do something amazing and create amazing art with them. So, Hot Girl Halloween Costumes, if you need some help and you have some questions, I've got your back. I know where to send you. I've got ideas. DM me if you need any help or inspiration because that's what I do. But this goes crazy. I'm especially so excited for this Bad Potion Witch. Wow, I don't even know like what I'm most excited for. Ooh, yeah, all of them? All of them, all of them. Oh my gosh, I treasure this. This is so sweet. The note's so sweet. Should I open the notes? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so honored. Oh, it's handwritten. I literally keep these things forever. I'm gonna hang this on the wall. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so sweet. Handwritten notes are so special to me. I'm saving this. Sorry, YouTube. This is not for you. This is for me. I'm saving this for me, but wow. Oh my goodness. This makes me so happy. I'm gonna cry. I'm already reading the first beginning. Oh my gosh, I'm saving this on my... I'm gonna read this later. I'm gonna read this later tonight, and I'm gonna cry, and I'm gonna hang this on my wall. And I am so honored and so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Party King Costumes, Starline LA, the actual best place to get Hot Girl Halloween costumes. Yeah, hands down, I am blown away. I'm so excited. This new Halloween collection goes freaking crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna make you so proud. Let me know which you want to see me try on first and which you're most excited to see me style first. And thank you for watching. This has been so fun. I love doing unboxing videos. Thank you for being here. I'm so grateful for you. If you want to see all my beautiful pictures and all the beautiful shoots I do, my Instagram is Pearlescent Official, Pearlescent. Pearlescent Official, Pearlescent Official, Pearlescent Official. My name is Rave Kitty. My name is Pearl. Welcome. Thank you for being here. I am so grateful to have you, and I will see you next time.